Changing a flat tire or doing a routine tire rotation can be awkward on our Volkswagen Jetta TDI. Like many European cars, the VW uses wheel bolts instead of studs. The wheels and hubs are hub-centric, a matched fit. This helps align and center the wheel with the hub during installation. When mounting a wheel and tire on the hub, there is still the issue of aligning the wheel holes and bolts. This can be a juggling act. Gaither Tool Company has developed two solutions for easily removing and installing passenger car and light truck tires. The Gaither Trac Tire Jack will lift and support the tire, then easily roll the wheel away from the hub. An optional roller plate makes it possible to rotate the wheel and tire while aligning the wheel and bolt holes. The Gaither Trac Tire Jack works equally well for vehicles with wheel studs and lug nuts. The Gaither Trac Tire Jack provides easy leverage for moving passenger car and lighter truck tire assemblies. A tire and wheel can be readily rolled onto the lift end of the platform. The Gaither Trac Tire Jack can be rolled beneath a tire that has been raised from the ground or floor. Leverage of the pivoting plate and a skid-resistant hand and foot pad make lifting the weight of the wheel and tire simple. Once unweighted from the wheel hub center, the wheel and tire can be easily pulled outward, set aside, repaired, or moved to another position in a tire rotation. Adding the roller plate enables rotating the tire and wheel to align the bolt holes. This is a major gain, and purchasing the optional roller plate makes sense. With or without a centering bolt, one-handed rotation of the tire and wheel is possible while simultaneously supporting the wheel and tire assembly. Stable, one-person control over the mounting process takes minimal practice. Using a safe jack, this work can be performed in an emergency lane or at your shop. Some cars, including popular European models, use metric thread wheel bolts instead of studs and lug nuts. Here, Gaither's handy center bolts help with wheel removal and installation. Available in an assortment of male thread sizes, these color-coded alloy centering bolts thread into a wheel hub bolt hole to align and hang the wheel on the hub. On vehicles with wheel bolts instead of studs, this support frees up your hands and eliminates juggling the wheel while starting the bolts. The centering bolt for our 2003 VW Jetta TDI is a 14mm by 1.5mm pitch thread size. Centering bolts are available in thread sizes 12mm by 1.25mm, 12mm by 1.5mm, 14mm by 1.25mm, and the Jetta's 14mm by 1.5mm. These aluminum alloy bolts are strong enough to support a passenger car or lighter truck wheel and tire. For hefty, oversized wheels and tires, I use the Gaither-Winntec wheel dolly. The centering bolt can be easily stored in the Jetta's tool bin. Just like the special locking bolt key, the centering bolt is now handy for changing a flat tire on the road. If there is enough room to stow the Trac Jack, it would be a valuable asset. In our VW Jetta GL wagon, space is available near the spare tire. Combining the Trac Jack with roller plate and the centering bolt makes it easier to change a tire or do a tire rotation. These Gaither-Winntec tools can make changing a tire on the road much simpler and safer. Additionally, Gaither offers professional-grade Winntec floor jacks and the innovative fast-lock jack blocks that can convert a floor jack into a jack stand. On a flat garage floor, I use 4 Gaither jacks rated 3 metric tons apiece with 3.5-ton rated Winntec fast-lock jack blocks to safely raise and secure our VW Jetta or Jeep XJ Cherokee 4x4 for service work. Gaither jacks and jack blocks are also part of my in-house wheel alignment system. Each of these products is available directly from Gaither Tool Company's website or through Gaither-Winntec tool dealers.